Good morning, students. Now 8th standard Civics Lesson 1. How the state government works. Learning objectives. Students acquire knowledge in the state executive, powers and functions of the governor, powers and functions of the chief minister. Introduction. There are two sets of government in our country. Our country name is India. The central government and the state government. Here we have 28 states and 9 union territories. So every state has a government to run its own administration. So the states have their own executive, legislature and judiciary. The state executive consists of the governor and the council of ministers headed by the chief minister. The governor is an integral part of the state legislature. First, we will see about the state executive. The governor. The constitution provides for the post of the governor as the head of the state in India. He is appointed by the President of India. So, he is the constitutional head of a state. So, the governor is appointed for a term of 5 years. But before the expiry of his full term, the president can dismiss him from office. So the governor may also resign on his own interest. His term of office may be extended and he may be transferred to another state. However, the state government cannot remove the governor from his post. To be the governor, a person must be a citizen of India and should have completed 35 years of age, and he cannot be the member of the parliament or the state legislature. He should not hold any office of profit. This is a qualification of the governor. So governor is the head of the state. Now, while appointing the governor, the president acts as per the advice of the union cabinet. The state government is also consulted when the appointment is to be made. Generally, a person is not appointed governor in his own state. Now we will see about the powers and functions of the governor. The governor is the chief executive in a state. So all the executive powers of the state are vested upon him and decisions are taken in his name. He appoints the chief minister and council of ministers. He makes some important appointments of the state government, such as the advocate general, chairman and members of the state public service commission and others. The president imposes emergency in a state under Article 356 on the basis of the report of the governor. The governor also acts as a chancellor of the state universities, head of the state universities. He summons and prorogues the sessions of the state legislature. Tamil Nadu state legislature. So here our governor name is Banwarilal Purohit. Actually, he led the sessions of the state legislature and he can dissolve the legislative assembly. Money bills can be introduced in the state legislative assembly and with the approval of the governor. The governor may promulgate ordinances when the legislative assembly or both the houses of the legislature, when there are two houses or not in the session. The governor may nominate one member from the Anglo-Indian community to the legislative assembly. If there are Anglo-Indian people in a state and when they are not duly represented in the state legislature, he may also nominate 1/6 members of the legislature council from among persons who are experts in the fields of science, literature, arts, social service and cooperative movement. The annual budget of the state government is laid before the legislature with the approval of the governor. So the governor must give his assent to all the bills passed in the legislature, including money bills. The contingency fund of the state is also placed at the disposal of the governor. Contingency fund, it is a possible future situation or event. The position of the governor. The position of the governor of the state is compared to the President of India as a nominal executive. But the governor is not always a nominal executive. He can exercise his powers in the real sense on some occasions. He acts as an agent of the central government in a state. Therefore, he is responsible for maintaining relation between the central government and the state government. The governor may advise the council of ministers when faces difficult situations. The president declares emergency in a state on the basis of the report of the governor regarding the law and order situation in the state. The governor takes independent decisions while exercising discretionary powers. So he may seek information from the council of ministers regarding various activities of the government. This is the powers and functions of the governor.